A little bit shaky from that last snapper. I want to show you the versatility of the wrap fishing system. Okay, there's another standard wrap, 2-hole shrimp. Let's say you don't have the time, you're out, you just can't make it happen. You can still use the wrap fishing system and increase your chances of catching fish. I got the shrimp. You saw me earlier today. Use the whole. Actually, I got to put the head first.
Yeah, head first.
Let me get that in there here. Okay, you see me put that in there. You got to work it a little bit, and then shake it in, shake it in, shake it in there. That's one. There's number 2. Same thing. Put it in there. Shake it, shake it, shake it. 2-hole shrimp. Okay, same idea as cigar minnow, just a little variation of the thing. It'll be the same thing. Right down there. This one's a little bit different. Come in once, push it through, come around, right through the shrimp on the inside there. There you go, perfect for presentation. Do a little rinse. See if you can make it happen. Down you go. Change the rig at all. All we're doing is doing variations of the theme, showing you different applications for the wrap fishing system. So we've seen whole cigar minnows, we've seen chalk bait with menhaden oil, now we've got whole shrimp.
Why do you think the bite's a little slower on this application here, brother?
I think it's taking them a little bit longer. There's not as many oil, so they're not getting slick.
Absolutely.
But there's still smell, and it's still going to be effective as bait. But the thing is, you don't have to worry. You see how many times I've missed my strikes. Operator error, bad rod, short strikes. You can call it what you want. But if you have just a shrimp or a cigar minnow or any other bait on its own, typically you get bumped like that, it's over. It's up again. You get bumped good. So right here, like I'm talking, instead of fishing. Okay, so they're in there trying to take advantage of this here. Let's see if I can do something to make it happen. Okay, normally that'd be the end. Up and come, rebait, get back down there, hope it happens again. Right now they're still there. Again, see if I can make it happen. Oh, there you go. It works. And again, it's our firm belief is that keeping the bait in the strike zone, in front of the fish. You don't have to be one of these guys that spends all day like a PhD in fishing, because that ain't me. I'm just an average guy. And you can see I make a lot of mistakes, but I can catch fish. Season, we'd have our limits already. It would skin, catch and release today. Just to show y'all, this system works. There's wrap. There you go. Wrap fishing system.